Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Paulo Navarro. Today is Thursday, May 10, 2012. Today's economic data, jobless claims, came at 367 and we're expecting 365. For the markets, the S&P 500 futures saw a high of the day of 1363 and a low of the day of 1351.5. We closed at 1357.5. Today's volume was 1.8 million contracts, in line with the 20-day moving average. For the Nasdaq futures, we saw a high of the day of 2631 and a low of the day of 2602.75. We closed at 2618.75. Today's volume was 310,000 contracts, higher than the 20-day moving average of 280,000 contracts. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at 701. The Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at 366. There were 17 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and 3 new 52-week lows. For the volatility, we saw 303 and 5,000 contracts traded on the VIX with 32 million on premiums paid. On the dollar-weighted put-call ratio on May, we saw a 1.17 reading with 20% of the total premiums paid. For June, we saw a 1.22 reading with 60% of the total premiums paid. And in July, we saw a 0.24 reading with 19% of the total premiums paid. Today, the special offer by TradeStation: get your Hamsi Analytics proprietary indicators paid by TradeStation. Contact info Peter Albino and the number below. Okay, here we have the daily chart for ES. So you can see here we had an update today around 6 handles. It was basically after the close. Before the opening, we were 10 handles above for yesterday's close, which was good. And intraday, we gave up much of the gains. Here's the 30-minute chart, so you can see what happened intraday. We opened around here, and then we just started going lower, made a couple of new lows, and then basically flat throughout the day, up and down, and then we just sold off pretty hard into the close, and then we closed on the 57th, and right now we're 7.5 handles down on the open. So that was the intraday action for the day. On the moving averages, as you can see here, we bounced again off the 100-day moving average, which was positive. No, we are unable to break it and go lower, so that's good for the market. We're finding some short-term support there, which is good. We'll see if it holds here overnight or if we're gonna break it and go lower. Maybe test the 30-34 level and then the 1300. For gold, so we have basically a flat day, not much happening. Mostly consolidation period here. As you can see, we tried to go higher, but we were not able, and then we just sold off a little. Basically flat for the day. For silver, we were down almost 1% today. We did not make a new low, which was good for silver, but the same as gold, we're seeing some consolidation after the 3 big down days we had. Finding some ground here. Maybe tomorrow we'll find even go lower and break the lows, or get some bounce. So we'll need to break this low that we made yesterday of 28.50 to go lower and test the 26 level. For the US bonds, you can see here, we saw quite a good reversal today. We finished on the highs and positive for the day, which was good for the bonds. We bounced off the 10-day moving average after being sold off overnight and in the morning. Last chart we're looking at, the VIX. The VIX was down 6%, but still we're higher of the 100-day moving average. We're gonna have to see if we bounce tomorrow of those moving averages and maybe go and test the highs of 21.70 and go higher, maybe to 22.50s, or if we're gonna go back to the range and test the 50-day moving average at 17.18. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.